Domestic flight ticket booking, click on the Login button. Enter username and password, then click on Login. Select the Flight tab and then Domestic. Enter from into Details. Choose Other Preferences. Click on Search. Filter search results as preferred. Choose specific airline if required. Click on Book button next to preferred flight. Enter required details. Choose additional baggage weight if applicable. Choose meals as required. Select whether you require travel insurance. Select payment mode. Click on I accept, complete booking by clicking on Confirm.